Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update. Today on 15th May we're going to actually release a award for the cryptocurrency, so keep an eye on that for 15th May. And back into the game, we still are at a little bit of that resistance right now, but there's one very good thing if I show you for Jasmy at the moment is that you're really breaking above, and this is for the first time ever that you've made a bullish closing right over here. Okay, so that's for the first time in my opinion ever since 19th of May 2022. One whole year, almost after 1 year, you've made a one bullish closing, and this is incredible. Okay, history is made because you've never ever since 19th of May made a bullish closing above that resistance. So that's really good, and I've been very positive in Jasmy for the past few days. Super positive, super good moves, very nice looking at the moment. And can it actually keep on holding? That would be awesome. So you got a bull cross, you got a break above things. Here's your stop. You don't want to come down here, okay? Coming below this blue line that I just marked, and that's actually going to be 5900 level. So you're at 7,193. Don't come down to 5,900 and you're going to be good. But I do expect you can actually come down like this and retest this area, which is going to be 6,000 levels. So yeah, retesting 6,000 is going to be normal, and then bounce off here and then continue even higher. And the first technical target, of course, is going to be 8,000 when you actually retest, or if you don't retest as well. So 8,000 is going to be on the cards. The second one is going to be 11,000 on the cards, and eventually 22,000 on the cards as well. So when you reach there, we're going to have to see how that goes once everything is going to be said and done. So it's all about the daily. We still need to see how today candle closes. So in the next 11 hours 56 minutes, I do want to see if we can push down like this and close below that resistance line. If you close below it, then that's a whole hard work. It's a waste of hard work, okay? But if you end up making a close above this area and tomorrow you potentially again come down, the thing is the retest, okay? It doesn't matter if it today. The thing is that the retest should hold. Come down, maybe even retest the 20 EMA, touch the 20, and then from there continue to move to the upside as well. Now it could even be okay that you go up like this and then in the future come down like that and end up touching the 55. That's also okay. The thing is that you shouldn't come down and close below the line again, and then you're gonna frizzle out and then make fake outs and offer a bad experience for the traders, and then everything's gonna be a fake out. But I highly doubt if it's going to be a fake out, because this does look like the end of a downtrend. Okay, boom, the bear market seems like it's coming to an end, and try to go even to the upside. For some reason, if you end up not breaking out, all right, so hear me close, if you end up not breaking out and you get a bull trap from Bitcoin as well, and Bitcoin goes down and takes stop losses, something that happens in crypto, that's pretty normal. People get bullish and the market flips and goes to the other direction as well. Then, we still have a technical target down here, still not invalidated. The day you go to 13,000, right, and stay above 13,000, you don't have a threat to go down. You still have a little bit of that threat to go down, and that's only because you came down, you made a bearish rectangle here, and the technical target is somewhere here, which was never met. You just went down there, and now you're pumping back up. Now, it's not important that you got all the way to the technical target. It's not important. Sometimes they just don't go down, and that's why they say don't try to pick the bottom, you're going to have a smelly fingers. And that's the reason why that very old famous saying goes, if you try to pick the bottom, it's going to be bad. So I personally did want to buy here, not because I thought it was the bottom, but because I thought that can be the technical target, and I'm going to buy again. And the market was looking to buy, go down there. But anyways, this is a reversal pattern in a downtrend, especially when you're in a downtrend. It actually indicates that you're looking for a big accumulation. This is accumulation, and then you try to break above and go to the upside. So yeah, it makes sense to go back up at this point of time. It's really down. I think there's not any bad idea saying that, oh, if you want to go long term from here, that could not be a bad idea at all. And that's pretty much it for this Jasmy update, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.